and today is my first video doing the collection obsession, and this is a new challenge in a group on Facebook that I recently joined, and it's a group called Craft Low or No Spend, and it's on Facebook, and I'll link it below. But basically the whole premise of the group is that you spend nothing or very little for your hobby, your scrapping hobby, and create as many layouts as you can without spending very much money, if any at all. So I'm trying not to spend any money until the end of the year. It is now September 1, and I'm going to go as long as I can till the end of the year without spending any money on my scrapping. Should be easy to do because I have so much stuff already. Alright, so each month this group are doing a collection obsession challenge where you choose one collection a month and you create a layout each week using that collection. So I have a lot of stock, obviously, and I don't have a lot of full collections though, so I do happen to have this one. This is from Uniquely Creative. It's called Full Bloom. Now I have quite a bit of this collection, so I'll just run through it now, and this video is just to introduce you to the challenge, show you what I've got, and then I'll come back sometime in the next week with a layout using this product or these products. So I'll go through the 12x12 first. So I've got the 12x12 pack, the 6x6 pack, and a couple of packs of ephemera. So Uniquely Creative is an Australian company, and they're in Adelaide, I think, or South Australia, in Australia, and they do beautiful, beautiful collections, and it's really my style. It's a bit like shabby chic, and it's really nice. So this one's called Full Bloom, and on the back of the piece of cards or piece of paper that tells you what the collection is, and a snapshot of each of the papers, on the back, which is a great bonus, they have some embellishments, so you can cut these out and they're extra embellishments that you can use in your layouts. Really, really handy. So it's going to run through the papers. Now I think I've already flipped them over, so you get two of each design and they're double-sided. So I love this. Beautiful, like vintage style, shabby chic roses. I'm all about the flowers. I love the floral. The other side is this great black and white zigzag. Probably can make your eyes go a bit funny, but it's a great page. And then we've got another geometric, black and white geometric. And the other side of that is this beautiful page, basically designed for you. Add a photo, a heading, a few more embellishments, and your page is done. So easy to use pages like this. The reverse side of that, or sorry, not the reverse side, but another page is that black and white, it's like a houndstooth. No, it's not a houndstooth. It's a chevron type of pattern, and it looks like it's like a page that's already built for you, because it's got this beige one here with a paper tearing edge. So that's all just the one piece of paper. So there's a great design element already done. This is the cut aparts page. Love these. So there's like titles all ready to go. And then you've got this beautiful ombre one, which is pinks, apricots through to light creams. Then we have another floral. Really pretty, this one, because the main part is really quite faded, so it's easy to put your photo and a title, and then you've already got a lot of embellishments. Just add a few and you're done. Love pages like that. Alright, this is a nice little dainty pattern. A bit of faded area over here. Then here's another page that looks like the mixed media part's been done for you, but it's just part of the paper. So I'm not a mixed media fan because I'm not very good at it. So this page is great because it looks like I've already applied like some paint and done some stenciling and stuff like that, but I haven't. It's just all on a bit of paper. So I can pretend that I do mixed media if I use something like that. And then we've got the diamonds, black and white diamonds, again with a bit of like a grungy look to it. And then this beautiful page, use it as it is, or if you've got something like a scan and cut, or you like fussy cutting, you can cut all these elements out and then they are your embellishments. Then we've got this beautiful check, no, what's it called? Oh, it escapes me. Not houndstooth, no. Why is houndstooth stuck in my head? No, it's like it's on the tip of my tongue and I can't remember it. Anyway, it's in a real like a brownie sort of vibe going on there. And then this, I love it, plaid, that's the word, plaid. Yes, so if you put it like on the straight, no, I don't know, it's a diagonal plaid. Plaid's the word I wanted. Oh my gosh, need more coffee or more sleep or something. All right, and then this again, a lot of the work is done for you. Photo, heading, a few embellishments. They've done the mixed media type of sponging, or what's it called, with the paste and the stenciling and all that sort of stuff. And then this beautiful little spot, that's very nice. And then we have the page of embellishments. So you can, you know, you've got your strips here that you can cut apart, all these embellishments. Yeah, really cool. Some headings, all the comforts of home. Home is everything. So that is the 12 by 12 papers. Now the 6 by 6 is the same, but the print obviously is smaller, and sometimes I like getting both, because if there's a print in the 12 by 12 that you think is too big to use as an embellishment, like this page for example, if you cut these out on a 6 by 6 page, they're smaller, so it makes for a nicer embellishment on your page. And sometimes you can use the same pattern, and these are single-sided, the 6 by 6 papers, they're not double-sided. But like if you look at that print, you may not like it in the 12 by 12. When you look at it on the 6 by 6, it's less in your face, so it might be easier to use because it's shrunk down to a smaller scale. So I won't go through each of these because they're basically the same as what was in the 12 by 12. They're just on a much smaller scale, and you get 2 of each, but they're one-sided. So that one that I just went past, where was it? I'll find it again. The page with all the, oh, where is it? With all those individual flowers. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? That one. Okay. So the 12 by 12, if I find the same one in the 12 by 12. Alright, so now you have 2 different sizes of these embellishments. So if you're doing a page and you don't want the pinks, but you love this daisy, well, now you have more of them because you have 2 different size options. So you can create a gorgeous cluster with mixed sizes now, rather than just having that one size. So actually you get 3 sizes, because that again is smaller than that one. So there's a beautiful cluster of that one flower if you didn't want to incorporate the pinks, if you know what I mean. Anyway, I know what I mean. Okay, so they're the 6 by 6s. Beautiful papers. Alright, and then I have the ephemera packs, which these 2 are the same, and I'm not sure if I've used some. They've both been opened, so I could very well have used some. They're both the same, but I had a couple of them. I'm pretty sure they're both the same. Alright, so I'll quickly run through these elements in here. So Uniquely Creative call them creative cuts, not ephemera. Yeah, they're creative cuts, so they're the same. Yeah, same one, same packet. And then they also have vellum creative cuts. So I'll just run through these. I'll pop them out so that you can just see them all. I'm not going to go through each and every one. Just give you an idea. Now there's a lot in these packets. A lot of it is repeated from what's on the sheets, but some are different, like that one is different. And I think I have used some of these already on a layout. Pretty sure I have. There might be a few headings missing. But you can see there's a great variety. individual leaves, flowers, little flowers, big clusters, headings, more just cluster bases, flowers, sentiments, bows. So the bows weren't on the other pages, I don't believe. Okay, lovely banner, houses, houses, another house, more flowers. Yeah, I've used some of these, I remember now. And if you're a card maker, there's sentiment strips, happy birthday, this is your life. And you can use them on layouts as well, but I find them harder to use. I use them more for cards. It's really cute. With these ones, you can colour them if you want, or just leave them black and white. Beautiful hummingbird. Oh, he's really pretty. Oh, and another one. Alright, so they are the creative cuts. Yeah, I know there's more of these. I think I've definitely used some of these. So they're the creative cuts. And then these are the vellum ones. And these are all here. I haven't opened these yet. So I'll just run through these as well. Oh, that beautiful hummingbird. Whoops, nearly lost a flower. So really, really nice. Now, I don't have many of the collections like the Echo Park collections. I tend to buy more of these ones, the paper pads and the ephemera packs. It's still a collection. Look at that cluster. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah, I tend to buy more of this sort of collection, but it's still a collection. And these are adhesive backed. They have a film, a shiny film on the back that you can pull off. If you have better eyes than me. They are a bit tricky to get started, but I do know that they pull off and they are adhesive, and I really need new glasses. Oh my goodness. Alright, trust me, they're adhesive. I need to put on my goggles that I use for my cross stitching, which are the magnifying ones. They look really stupid, but they work wonderful. So they're the vellum cuts. That's what I'm going to be playing with for the oh my god, a mental blank. For the collection obsession. Oh god, I tell you what, I need more coffee or something. So there we go. That's what I'm playing with. The Full Bloom collection from Uniquely Creative. And I will be back soon, in the next day or so, with a layout using this collection. And I'll have the Facebook group linked below and some other YouTube channels linked below of people who are playing along as well. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, you want to watch more scrapping videos, then please subscribe to my channel, hit the the thumbs up, and the notification bell so you know when I come back on and do videos. If you're a regular watcher of my channel up till now, and you've watched me for the card videos, I probably won't be doing many cards going forward. I'm now going to concentrate more heavily back onto my scrapping. So sorry about that if you're a card creator and you watch me for card ideas. You won't be getting much of that on my channel going forward. It is what it is. But anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.